Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So, about last week, we did analysis on our S&P 500. I told you guys that we want to see a bullish move for the week on S&P 500. Guess what? We actually opened and closed bullish, right? Our weekly time frame gave us a bullish move, which is exactly what we are all expecting or what we all speculate right about. We told you guys that this week that just finished, we actually expect a bullish move. So that is it. Now we want to do analysis for this week, right? Which is not 28th to December, second, right? So we want to know where this price will be moving. So we are going to analyze it from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame, to be able to understand this movement itself and why we will be taking such trade. So you need to stick to the end to understand this movement. So we will start with the monthly time frames. First of all, if you take a look at this movement, I think let's start this movement from 2016. You can see from this 2016, this S&P 500 was giving us a bullish move. Price has been going up. We are seeing higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? And I've also included this moving average, which is 10 period moving average, which I'll be using 10 period moving average. So this moving average will guide us the trend. So we all know that once the price is above our moving average, then it is a buy. We have to go long, but once it is below it, then it is a sell we have to short. So clearly we can see for some times, right? For years, right? S&P 500 has been giving us a bullish move. It's only since till late 2021, early 2022, then we start having this bearish move. We started having this bearish move on S&P 500 to the extent that this price dropped and broke below our 10 period moving average. So this is an indication that this price is now bearish. So you can consider this as a drop on S&P, and we would take this as a correction. Then here comes the drop on S&P. Here is the correction. You would now take this as a drop. You will notice that this drop broke this previous lows, right? Guess what? The correction is being made. So is this correction over, right? This is what we'll talk about very soon, which I don't believe the correction is over, though it will soon be over. So once the correction is over, guys, what we would all be expecting again on S&P 500 once the correction is over is a drop. So this correction, since the correction is not over on this S&P 500, we will still be speculating a bullish move for now until the correction is over. Then we can now start shorting. So as at now, this moment period, and what this price is playing out, what is giving us is a bullish move. So we should still consider a bullish move. Notice that this is the month of November, right? No month of November has given us a bullish move. I think it has given us a good amount of bullish move for this month, right? So we want to see it enter the month of December. Maybe from then December we cannot start seeing a bearish move. Who knows how the price will play out? We don't know. So above all, this monthly time frame on S&P, this is a bearish move. That should now take us to the weekly time frame. So if you take a look at this trend again on the weekly time frame on S&P 500, clearly you can see one movement, a bearish move. So clearly you can see that this price has broken this level, right? Price dropped. Now price is now going up, right? So the week that we just talked about last week, we predicted we'll be expecting a bullish move on S&P 500, which we actually did. So this week also that we are predicting, which is December 28th to November 28th to December 2, we will also be expecting or speculating on a bullish move also on S&P 500. Now notice that we are on a pullback level, right? The pullback is giving us an higher highs and higher lows. So you will see this as an highs, right? Here comes the correction. We take this as an highs, right? Here comes the correction, and I told you guys after the correction, you're expecting a bullish move. So this is it. So we want to see this bullish move take out this level, right? The reason why I said this level is that if you know that once price has reacted to a level previously, right, especially multiple times, and price is close to that level, is going close to that level, price will definitely hit that level and react to it. So take a look at this movement here. We saw price has reacted to this level, right? Once price dropped to this level, we saw it went up. Once price broke below this level, we saw a pullback that tested this level, it reacted to this level, then it dropped, right? You cannot see we saw price give us like a false breakout or any you want to see it. Then once price dropped, right, you saw a price can give us a pullback to test this level. Hereby price has dropped to this level. Now, if you not see this movement, right, price is now moving close to the same level. Like I said, once price has reacted to a level previously and price is close to that level, price will get to that level and react to it. So price is moving close to this level. We would want to see price get to that level and react to it by dropping. Maybe that is why we said on the monthly time frame, once the pullback is over, which is bullish, then we will be expecting a drop. So this is what the weekly time frame is still saying. Once we get to this level, we should be expecting a drop. So this weekly time frame, this week, right on S&P 500, we should expect a bullish move. And we can see that this price is above the 10-period moving average. We all know once you are trading this moving average, it is to guide you. Once it is above it, then we have to go long. So clearly we can see that this price is above our 10-period moving average. Another indication that this S&P 500 will be closing bullish this week. That should take us to the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, I mean, take a look at this trend, right? This is an higher highs and higher lows. So new highs, right, comes the correction. New highs comes the correction. New highs comes the correction, guys, right? So what are we having next on S&P 500? So we want to see a new highs to be to take out this level, which is at least a level of 4,130. Let's see if it will get to a level of 4,130. So 4,130 is the level where we would want to see our S&P 500. If it does not hit it this week, by next week, we should be able to hit it. At least we should be able to achieve it in this week. That is if there is enough momentum or the price is volatile, there's much movement, they will be able to achieve it this week. If not, within this week and next week, we should be able to achieve it. In 2 weeks' time, we should be able to take out this level. But I think this week, we should be able to achieve it though. So this price is still bullish, and again you can still see it, price is above the 10-period moving average. So as long as it is still above it, then we have to go long, except this price kind of like breaks below and it is below it, then we possibly might want to stay out of this trade. But it is above the moving average, so we still see this S&P 500 as a bullish move. So the goal is to go long and take out this highs that price has reacted to multiple times. We saw it react to all these levels where price will come to and drop to, right? Still want to see this price get to this same level before we get a drop on S&P. That should now take us to the 4-hour time frame. We'd want to place this trade, right? So what does the 4-hour time frame actually says? So this 4-hour time frame says we are on a bullish move. So if the assuming the 4-hour time frame is giving us a bearish move, the goal or the thing is that our advice is just that we should actually stay out of this trade, assuming it is on a bearish move. But clearly we can see this is a bullish move. So this is an indication that we have to still go long. So possibly you can wait for this price to actually break above this size before you can enter to go long, because this 4-hour time frame very much likely to drop to the same level again. It can kind of range for some times within this level. So that is how the 4-hour time frame can play out like that. We saw that this price came to the same level top right, which is the resistance on the 4-hour time frame. So price dropped to the same level. Reason is that price has once reacted to this level, so it makes sense for it to come to this level, react by pushing up, and now we can see that this price wants to start dropping. So if in case this price drops, then we should see it drop down to this level, then price should go up again until this price breaks above this resistance level on the 4-hour time frame. Then maybe possibly you can now go long on the S&P 500, though it is up to you, or you can possibly wait for it to drop to this support level, then you can go long on the S&P 500. Though is up to you though. So this 4-hour time frame very much likely to range within this area here. So just watch out for it, except until this price breaks above this resistance level on the 4-hour time frame. Then we can now go long on S&P 500 for the week.